As a 9 to 5 worker and content creator, I know firsthand how difficult it can be to find and pursue your passion. So I thought I'd take you along with me for a week to show you how I balance my day off and my passion for creating content. Now it is Monday morning and I start my day by waking up and head straight to the kitchen to drink some water. Then after which I will do some mild tidy up and then I will do some exercise to get my body moving before I start my day.
Falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool.
Morning!
I could use a little something to do. Could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows. Cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain. Maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. And when it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. When it happens, I'll be dancing on the lawn when it happens. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings. I've been waiting for something new to happen. You want me to say something? I come up with nothing. Maybe we should talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long without it, caught up in my feelings. I've been
part of my journey in pursuing my passion is to read a book. Now, I am reading this book, You Are a Badass: How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life. And really and truly, I try my best to read at least a few minutes per day just to open up my brain and just to get some motivation out there, not to doubt myself.
You lean all your weight on. If you don't need me, why you call me in the night when you're so lonely? Lay it on me, baby, come on. Tonight, just let me be your someone. Be your someone. Be your someone. So what you wanna do now? We both know how I feel. I can hear you breathing. And I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm that someone. You lean all your weight on. If you don't need me, why you call me in the night when you're so lonely? Lay it on me, so baby, come on. Tonight, just let me be your someone. Be your someone. Be your someone. Maybe I'm a little lazy. Maybe you're a little crazy lately. But I don't change things. Ooh, be your someone. And I don't need you, but I want you. If you hate me, you're supposed to. I'm that someone. You lean all your weight on. If you don't need me, why you call me in the night when you're so lonely? Lay it on me, so baby, come on. Tonight, just let me be your someone. Be your someone. Be your someone. Be your someone. Getting married after 30 is still beautiful. Starting a family after 35 years is still possible. And buying your first house after 40 is still a boss-ass move. Don't let people rush you with their timelines. Just move as you do. Just move as you do. Turning gray after 26 looks pretty good on you. Taking a year to go and travel the world.
At the supermarket just now and I got these items. So I spent $3,107. Things get so expensive. I need to go to the market very soon, and this is what I got. I got this pop chow, $2.72. I got this string bean for $1.61. I got okra, $1.48 and $1.38. I got this thyme, $138. Alright, so the onion I got for onion I got for $222. See there? 6 small onion. I got this broccoli for $2.47. I got this hot Indian curry. Did you see any better pack curry? I like the better pack curry mixed with it. I got this Miracle Milk as well. The Miracle Milk is for $4.58, and the curry is for curry. The curry is for $3.14. Whoa, I say curry the expensive. $314. I got this chiffon butter cook with this $312. It's for 200. I got this lettuce for $256. I got the pumpkin for $97, and I got this foil paper for. The foil paper is for $237. So let me know what you think down below if that price is okay. But I know I would save more if I went to the market. I need to go to the market sometime soon. So I'm going to prepare some roast fish. I'm going to put the fish in the air fryer. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put the fish in the air fryer. So that is why I got all of this. I'm going to eat mostly greens with the fish today. I didn't get a chance to show you when I was stuffing the fish, but I'd use the ingredients I showed you earlier. The pumpkin, thyme, okra, and I have scallion there, and I season it with some fish seasoning, salt, black pepper. So basically that and some all-purpose seasoning.
$dollars and champagne for the trouble. It's a t-shirt in the backseat of your car. Head down just like your father taught you. Stick around when the walls start to fall. Good God, does anybody notice you sat at the table and you listened to a scream? I know we've had a few too many. I'm not sure what to believe. Beauty queens and rock and rollers, crystal glasses, Coca-Cola. Nice to meet you, nice to know you. Better have listened to all that they told you.
So I just got home and started this chicken in the air fryer. Didn't take up the camera because I was busy here editing and stuff while I'm doing this chicken. So I decided that I just wanted to put this chicken in the air fryer. It's the easiest way, and if you don't own a air fryer, let me tell you, try to get one. It's very easy. You have your pre-seasoned chicken, you just put it in the air fryer, you have a quick and easy dinner. So I am here editing while I'm cooking this chicken. I have some steamed rice already, and then I'm going to bed and just go to bed.
Silver dollars and champagne for the trouble. It's a t-shirt in the backseat of your car. Head down just like your father taught you. Stick around when the walls start.
So on Sundays, I take the time to watch Pastor Steve Furtick Elevation Church on YouTube, which always motivates me. Then I prepare Sunday dinner, and today I will be going to my family house as I have my daughter here to wash and to prepare her for the other week. So what's the point of this vlog? It's all about finding and pursuing your passion, no matter how busy your schedule is. It's important to make time for what you love. Whether it's cooking, creating content, or something else entirely, find what makes you happy and pursue it. In the end, life is all about balance. Balancing your day job with your passion may not be easy, but it's worth it. So take the first step and don't give up. Keep pushing forward and you will succeed. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Thank you again for watching this video and just to share a day in, well, actually a week in my life. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you love this video, you will love the next video on screen. It's a behind the scene of how I create my YouTube videos as well.